Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up Zoho mail with domain. Now first of all, as you can see, like I'm on the Zoho mail. So from this option you can just click on your profile and you will see an option like this one, enable mail hosting. Now if you haven't enabled your mail hosting, you will see this option. So make sure to go to this option and choose the right plan for your organization, whatever plan you want to buy, monthly, yearly, that is your choice. And once you have bought the plan, so you will be redirected into another email section like this one. As you can see, like you will see this interface once you buy the correct subscription. So after that you just go to this option called the domains. As you can see on the left side, you can see the domains option. Just go inside the domains, and inside the domains you can see this button called add. And once you click on add, they will ask you to enter your domain, and inside this section you can just write down the name of your domain. Let's say www.google.com. Let's say like this is your domain, so just enter it and press save, and after that will be added inside this section. So that is a simple and easy and quick process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.